Hello, I'm thrilled to share our study, The Impact of Pilot Free Trade Zones on Outward Foreign Direct Investment, Evidence from China. Foreign direct investment, or FDI, refers to an investment made by an individual, company, or government from one country into business interests located in another country. Unlike portfolio investment, which involves purchasing stocks or bonds, FDI involves establishing ownership or controlling stakes in foreign enterprises. Foreign direct investment is often viewed as an engine of economic growth, and most governments actually promote the inflow of FDI. Many governments also promote the outflow of FDI, as it can be paired with knowledge spillovers and technology acquisition, as well as access to scarce resources. China is a major player in both inward and outward FDI. At the same time, China is innovative in terms of the institutional environment regulating business activities, including FDI. In 2013, China began establish PFTZs, which aim to support China's going global policy. Moreover, the 21 Chinese pilot free trade zones are quite heterogeneous in their specific objectives and the policy tools applied to achieve these goals. This implies that the economic impacts of pilot free trade zones likely vary across the various zones and over time. Against that background, our study asked, do pilot free trade zones spur outward foreign direct investment? And do their effects vary across zones and over time? We analyzed data from 31 Chinese provinces from 2003 to 2022. Focusing on non-financial outward foreign direct investment and using difference in differences estimators for both homogeneous and heterogeneous treatment effects. This rigorous approach enables us to pinpoint the causal impacts of pilot free trade zones on outward foreign direct investment. Our findings show that the Chinese free trade zones generally do not boost outward direct investment. Several reasons may account for this negative result, including the possibility that the increased innovation achieved by firms located in free trade zones is generally not sufficient to be competitive in world markets. However, we also find that there is an exception, namely the Shanghai pilot free trade zone, which distinguishes itself from other pilot free trade zones due to, firstly, its high level of internationalization, secondly, its financial openness and innovation, thirdly, its policy flexibility and innovation, firstly, its enhanced legal environment, lastly, its strong focus on R&D. The primary message of our study is that free trade zones are not a panacea for promoting outward FDI. However, a well-designed free trade zone can be a game changer for outward direct investment. This finding has important implications for emerging economies that seek to utilize special economic zones for global expansion. These zones should demonstrate a high degree of liberalization in financial industry, provide a stable and credible legal environment, and bring together various R&D players. Are you curious for more? Please read our full article, which is available on journal's homepage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will dive into our research.